Hi there. Welcome to Small Business Coffee Break, the weekly video series where we take a few minutes to work on your business, not just in it. Today we're going to talk about payroll taxes and if you should wait till your tax return to file them. We're talking with Carmen, a CPA with over 15 years of experience and the person I trust most when it comes to tax advice. So grab a cup of coffee and let's get into it. So now let's say that you're a true 1099, right? So maybe an individual, not a sole proprietor, and you have a business, pick air conditioning contracting for a sec, and part of your business is basically being the extra help for another air conditioning contractor, right? Mm-hmm. So you have your own time, your own equipment, you don't work, you're not supervised in any way. You're a true independent contractor in that situation, and you get paid with a 1099. What happens if I don't give the IRS their pound of flesh every quarter, right? So, because you hear that a lot. It's like, oh, I'll pay it at the end of the year. And I'm like, am I misunderstanding that, you're paying more if you do that?
Yeah, they actually pay a penalty for not sending the estimated tax payments on a quarterly basis. And a lot of times, to be honest, when the tax preparer prepares a tax return, gives them, hey, you owe this, or this is your refund, that amount is already there, either increasing the amount due or reducing the refund, because you are required to make estimated tax payments. If you don't, you'll get penalized when you file your tax return.
Yeah. You know what? We learned that recently when we reached a certain payroll level, that the IRS wants their money in certain increments depending on how much payroll you have, and the more you make, the faster they want their estimation of what you owe them, and that's why at the end of the year they do an audit so that you can get back, or more often than not pay the deficiency. If you'd like to contact Carmen, I put all of her contact information in the description below. If you have any questions that you'd like me to ask a professional in their field so that we can get that answered over to you, please feel free to leave a comment below or shoot me a quick email. That information is also in the description below. If not, let's grab a cup of coffee next week and we'll answer some more questions.